Okay, these kids are about to enter the house for the first time. Come on in. And we have a visitor, and it's freaking me out. Look, you guys.
The family fudge, the family fudge. They are mostly sweet, but full of nuts.
Okay guys, so if you missed last week's video, that's where we shared a tour of our old house in California. Seriously, you guys, we loved that house. We lived there for over 10 years, and that video was really fun to make. I'll include a link to that video down below, so definitely check it out if you missed it. Now, we had a lot of good guesses from you guys on where you thought we moved to, but if you guessed Florida, you would be correct. We'd actually been thinking about moving to Florida for quite a while. In fact, back in November we came here and we stayed for an entire month just to check it out and see what it was like. We visited so many awesome and fun places. So our house is actually in the Orlando area. In fact, we are so close to Disney World that we can actually see the fireworks from our house every night, which is so cool. Now, so far, Florida has been pretty different as far as the weather goes. Lots of rain, lots of humidity, and then there's the critters, of course. On our first day at our new house, we saw not one, not two, but 3 snakes. One in the front yard, one inside our garage, and this one in the backyard. Oh, you guys, we are not huge snake fans. Personally, I find them a little bit creepy, but thankfully we learned that they are not venomous, and since that first day, we haven't seen any more. And let's hope it stays that way. And now, without further ado, let's get on to that house tour. Come on in and we will show you around.
Welcome to our new home!
You want to show me around?
Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go to the sitting room first. Now you'll notice that this house is not completely empty, and that's because it came partially furnished, which is actually really helpful. We didn't have to bring all of our things from California. The only downside I would say is that some of the furnishings in this house are not necessarily my style or my tastes, but I'm hoping to change a few things. So as we're going through this house, I'll kind of let you know what I'm hoping to change and what I'm planning on just living with. Things like these glass coffee tables and the lamps. These are definitely not items I would pick out for myself, and I'm definitely hoping to change out this entryway light to something a little bit more updated. Oh yes, and I probably should mention that when we moved into this house, there were so many dead bugs everywhere. By all the windows, by all the doors, so we're definitely gonna have to fix that problem because I do not like bugs in the house. Now the tables, I might just end up donating those to the Goodwill. And with the lamps, I think I can probably spray paint them and maybe change out the lampshade so they look a little bit more updated. So now that I've shown you the sitting room, let's go on into the dining room, which as of right now does not have a dining room table. In this room, I would also love to change out the chandelier, and I'd also love to add some floor-to-ceiling curtains in probably a bright blue or teal color. Now, turning the corner from the dining room, we enter the kitchen. And you guys, I'm so excited to have a bigger kitchen in this house. If you saw the last video, you'll know that we had a teeny tiny kitchen. This kitchen definitely has more floor space, more cabinet space, and something I'm super excited about, a dedicated pantry. Now, as far as this kitchen goes, the first thing we're probably going to do is swap out the appliances. These ones are still in really good condition, so we'll probably either donate them or sell them. Except for the fridge, we'll probably move that to the garage. That way, when I do a big Costco haul, I'll have another space where I can store all of our stuff. And then, of course, there's the cabinets. I'm definitely glad that there's more cabinets, but I would prefer these to be white and a little bit taller. Now, we've actually looked into having a full kitchen remodel, but like I said, all of these cabinets are in really good condition, so instead of spending all the money to totally change the kitchen. Our plan is to do a DIY facelift. My husband and I will paint the cabinets, probably change out the hardware. I also think it would be really nice to add some crown molding on the top so that they'll look a little bit taller. And my husband says he would definitely like to have a bigger sink. Over here you can see that the countertops are laminate, they're not granite. But you guys, this laminate is in really good condition and I actually really like the color. So I think we're gonna try to just live with this the way it is. Now I cannot wait to organize this pantry. I'm gonna try to use all Dollar Tree items so it'll be budget friendly, of course. And as you can see, the previous owners left furniture in this house and they also left a few odds and ends in the kitchen. So I may end up keeping some of these things or I might just donate them. I'm not sure yet. Now in this last section of the kitchen, there's actually room for a little table. So I guess you would call this an eat-in kitchen. This is actually a counter height table, so it's a little bit taller than your normal table would be. And there's also some damage to the top, but that actually doesn't bother me too much, especially since right now we don't have a dining room table. This is really nice to have. We will definitely use it until we find something else. Now right off the kitchen we have another living space that I like to call the family room. This is another room that has a lot of furniture already in it. And I have to say, not one piece of furniture in here is necessarily what I would pick out. It's kind of dark, kind of dated, so I'm definitely hoping to freshen this up a bit. Or a lot. In this room, I'd like to put a comfy couch where all the family can come and sit together and watch a movie and just hang out. Oh yes, and if you look on this side of the family room, you can see there's a huge TV in this house, so that's great. And there's also a really big TV stand with a built-in fireplace. Now I know that at the stores these are pretty expensive normally, but I have to say I'm not loving the dark color. So hopefully we can maybe paint this like a gray color or white color because it's still a really good piece of furniture. It's just not really my style. So I'm gonna see what we can do to kind of fix it up. Now as you're standing right here in the family room, you can see all the way into the kitchen and then around to the sitting room. It's really like one big circle. And the kids actually think it's pretty fun to run laps around and around and around. So right off of the family room and to the right, you'll see there's actually a laundry room. And I am super thankful that there's already a washer and dryer here for me to use. We don't have to buy new ones, so that's so nice. There's actually a lot of good storage space in here. And on this side of the laundry room, I'd really like to add some storage, maybe a folding table. This laundry room is downstairs, so I'm hoping to fold all the laundry here and then take it upstairs and put it away. And then right around the corner from the laundry room, you'll find a little powder room. So it has a sink and a toilet and lots of storage space, which I'm super excited about. I'm thinking I'm going to turn this into my cleaning closet and keep all of my cleaning supplies, my paper towels, extra towels. I was able to stop at Target and pick up some of my favorite cleaning supplies already, so I have just a few things in here. Now coming back out to the main entrance, there's a little spot I think would be perfect for an entryway table, you know, somewhere to put the keys and the purse when we come in. And then right across from there, we have a bonus room. This is like an extra master bedroom downstairs. So this room is a really nice space, definitely room for a bed, hopefully a desk as well. And it also has its own bathroom with a sink, a toilet, and a shower. Now this bathroom is seriously dated, and I'm not a huge fan of the countertop at all, but I think it'll be pretty easy to change that out, maybe paint the cabinetry and update the lighting. Those are definitely things I'd like to do over time. They don't have to happen right away. Because like I said, these things are in really good condition, they're just not the prettiest. Another awesome thing about this room is the huge closet. This will be a great storage space when guests come, or I can maybe put some of my YouTube stuff in there, like my lights and my cameras and things like that. Now basically as far as this bedroom goes, I do want to go ahead and change out the ceiling fan. It is seriously hot here in Florida, so we definitely want to get a new one. Yeah. Should we show them upstairs?
Yeah, first we should show them the Harry Potter room.
The Harry Potter room?
Yeah.
Oh, what's in the Harry Potter room? It's the room under the stairs. This looked a lot nicer than Harry Potter's room, but it's pretty deep. We are super excited to have a Harry Potter room. As you can see, the previous owners left a lot of stuff in here. So I'll probably end up cleaning some of this out and we'll use this for storage.
Time to go upstairs.
Should we show them Mommy and Daddy's room first?
Yeah.
Let's go. Mommy and Daddy's room first. Here it is. You need a ladder to get in the bed. It's so tall.
No, get up. Mommy.
Show me how you get up. Oh, he can do it.
Me too.
No monkeys jumping on my bed.
Oh, yeah. Be careful.
Yeah, there's a fan that's gonna chop your head off. Now, as far as this room goes, all of this furniture came with the house, and it's in fairly good condition, so I'm gonna try to keep as much of it as we can. These lamps here are pretty interesting. I will most likely be keeping these lamps as well, maybe just changing out the lampshade to something a little bit more simple and modern. And then, what I'd absolutely love to do is on this back wall, install some shiplap. I think that'll be so cute. It'll definitely brighten up this space. As you can see, there's a lot of dark furniture and gray walls. So I'm going to try my best to brighten up this room and probably add some pops of color. Now on this opposite side of the room, you'll see that we already have some dressers and a mirror. It is really nice that these are already here for us so we don't have to go out and buy new ones. But I don't know, something happened to this one and it got a little bit damaged. But I'm really not an expert when it comes to refinishing furniture. So I'm thinking I might just put like a vase or a plant in that spot and call it good. Now back in this area, I'm super excited that there's two really good sized closets, one for him and one for her. Here we have his closet, which is a really nice size, not too bad at all. But this other closet is actually much, much bigger. But honestly, you guys, before we left California, I ended up donating a lot of my clothes, so I'm not gonna have too much to fit in here. Then in this back corner, we have the master bathroom. It's a really good size, but definitely a little dated. None of the fixtures match. We have bronze, we have brass, we have silver, all in the same room. What I would really love to do is change out the lighting to something a little bit more modern. Another thing I'd like to do is paint the cabinets, maybe to a white or a gray, but this will probably end up being a project for a much later date. Now let's show them the boys' room. The boys' room. Hop down.
My room next.
Let's go. Show me where it is.
This way. Here's the boys' room.
Oh, I love it. Do you guys love Mickey?
Yeah.
We already had a lot of Mickey stuff in the boys' room back in California, so this room will be perfect. Which bed is yours and which one is Griffin's?
Mine. This one is mine.
That one's yours?
Yeah.
Do you love Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, and him also on my bed. And also right here.
Yeah, there's so many.
How about the playroom next?
Let's show them the playroom. The playroom is next. Here we go. Whoop, they're so fast.
Here's the playroom.
Oh, there's so much space in here. So guys, what should we do with this room? What should we put in here?
Play TV. A TV, couch, maybe
Toys? This is gonna be like an upstairs kids living room. So I'm thinking toy storage, a TV, some seating, maybe some beanbag chairs.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's show them the other two rooms.
What about the kids' bathroom?
Yeah. Yep, it's right over here. The kids are gonna share this one. Don't show us how to use the toilet. That's not appropriate. Come on, bud, let's keep going.
This room might be mine, but it might be Lily's.
Yep, we haven't decided yet.
Don't forget about this room.
It's another room.
My bed.
So this is where Lily and Kenzie have been staying. They've been sharing this big bed, but this might be Lily's room, it might be Kenzie's room, I'm not sure yet.
Now the last place to show you is in the backyard. And it has a pool.
A pool?
The pool toy.
Pool toys? Let's go. super excited about the pool. Let's go. Careful down the stairs. Oh yes, I definitely want to put a gate right here. You're gonna show me how to go down backwards? Okay, show me. Oh, I can't do that.
Well, I can.
Babies can. Yeah. It is so hot outside. Open it up, let's go.
Okay. And also giant bugs, you know. There's so many lizards here.
Lizards, do you like lizards or are they scary?
Lizards right there. Lizards are good, snakes are not good. And also not snakes are good. And also not walruses. And also not
Look.
big.
Look, there's a medium-sized one and a big one way up there. Oh, Kenzie, is it hot?
Yes.
So hot. So tell me, what are you most excited about our new house?
I'm excited to have my own room.
Do you miss anything about our old house?
I do miss that our family's not so close.
Yeah.
And I'm really excited about the pool, but not the snakes.
Yeah, that was pretty scary. I'm not a big fan of snakes either. Jackson, are you hot and sweaty too?
Yeah.
It's so hot outside. Way hotter than back at home, right? The temperature's probably the same, but it's the humidity. It feels so wet here. Go ahead, what?
That's why I really want to go to the pool today.
Yeah, we definitely need to go in the pool. Okay, Jackson, what is the best part of the new house? What are you most excited about?
Pool and upstairs.
Yeah? Do you want to have your own room or do you want to share?
I don't know that.
Yeah, both are good. Hi, Lily.
Hey.
Are you all hot and sweaty too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, first, tell me something that you don't like about the new house. What's something that you don't like?
That there's lots of bugs around it.
Yeah. Yeah, we definitely need to fix that problem. Now, tell me something that you do like. What is something you do like?
That the house is really big and that there's stairs that goes up.
Yeah. Do you ride down the stairs on your belly like Griffin does?
Yeah, and we ride it like this. Boom.
We should do like a stair slide like Shadow the Jaegers do. That looks really fun. Because we have our ball pit balls. We could do that. We could also fill our pool with ball pit balls. Would that be fun?
But it'll be a big mess.
It might be a big mess. Okay, tell me, would you like to share a room with Kenzie or have your own room?
Have my own.
Really?
Since Kenzie wants her own too.
Yeah. What do you want to put in your new room?
Stuff.
Stuff. How do you want to decorate it?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Oh, I love rainbows. We should totally do rainbows. They're not weird or anything, you guys. They're just totally fun. Come on in. Close the door. We do a lot of searching. Whoa. We do a lot of searching for people in this house because there's so many different places to be. In our last house, we were basically all in the same room all the time. Hey, wait. Come here. But I was going to ask you a question. Too close, too close. Okay. Do you like the new house?
Yeah!
Oh no, you're falling. How old are you now?
3!
Say, I'm 3. Wait,
3!
oh no, you're getting me. Stop getting me. Stop getting me. Okay, our shipping container just made it to Florida. Let's open her up. Hopefully nothing's broken. Okay, let's open her up. Looks like there's a print on the door. Oh, the ladder.
It's the right one.
Yeah, it's definitely the right one. Ah, so far so good. We won't really know until we remove the mattress.